All right, 46% of the students got this question correct. Problem 26. The approximate distance in miles between Los Angeles and a commercial jet flying from Boston to Los Angeles can be found using the function m equals negative 475t plus 2,650, where t is the number of hours the jet has been flying. Okay, so t stands for the number of hours the jet has been flying. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, etc. Which number of hours and minutes is closest to the amount of time that the jet has been flying if the jet is 1,500 miles from Los Angeles? So the one clue they're going to give me is 1,500 miles. They give me my equation here, and they tell me that I'm going to plug into that equation 1,500 miles. So the question I'm going to ask myself is, where should I plug the 1,500 miles into? Should I plug it in for the m, or should I plug it in for the t? Well, I know what t is. T is the number of hours. So t equals the number of hours. So does this clue tell me something about the number of hours? No, this is a distance. So I'm thinking that this probably is going to go in for m. M stands for miles. So my clue is 1,500 miles. So I'm going to take my 1,500, I'm going to plug it in for m. So here's my equation. M equals negative 475t plus 2,650. I'm going to plug in 1,500 in for m. So 1,500 is going to go into m. 1,500 equals negative 475t plus 2,650. All right, so the question they have is, what number of hours and minutes is closest to the amount of time? So I'm solving for my variable right here. I'm trying to find what the t is. So I need to, first of all, get this all by itself. So I need to move the positive 260 over by doing negative 2,650 on both sides. And then when I do that, on the right side, this will cancel out. These are gone. And 1,500 minus 2,650, I get negative 1,150. So negative 1,150 equals negative 475t. I still need the t by itself. So now I need to do the opposite of what I see here. I see a negative 475 times t, so I need to divide everything by 475. So divide by negative 475, divide by negative 475. On the left side, I get negative 1,150 divided by negative 475. I get 2.42. 2.42 equal to t. Okay, so that's kind of a weird answer. Let's break this down. T is the number of hours the jet has been flying. So I've been flying this jet for about 2.42 hours. So almost 2.5 hours, about 2.5 hours, because 0.42 is almost 0.5. So this is equivalent to about 2.5 hours, roughly. Let's see if our answer choices match that. F says 2 hours and 25 minutes. That's about 2.5 hours. G says 8 hours. Definitely not 8 hours. H says 3 hours. Definitely not 3 hours. J says 9 hours. Definitely not 9 hours. So definitely the right answer is going to be F. 2 hours and 25 minutes.